About cleaning fiber optic connectors using cleaning cassettes and one-click cleaner pens. It's very important when you make two connectors that they are clean, otherwise you can damage the connector and increase the insertion loss through the from one connector to another. So we have three products we're going to talk about today. The KCC 250, which is a one-click cleaner for SC, FC, ST connectors, either UPC or APC, and then the KCC 125 cleaner, which is for the LC and MU 1.25 millimeter diameter ferrule. Also, we'll talk about the cleaning cassette, the KCC 550, which allows you to clean the connector ends for all connector types, whether angled or polish, LC, SC, FC, you name it, can be cleaned on this cleaning cassette tape. So let's start off looking at a single mode SC connector, obviously very clean, and we're just going to dirty it up a little bit, just using what is normally a clean hand, and you can see the amount of grease that we've got on that fiber end face, and obviously that was unacceptable. So if we take our cassette cleaner and I'm going to take two swipes at it and then put it back in, and we're back to being perfectly clean. The cassette cleaner is by far the most efficient way of cleaning a fiber end, because you have the cleaning tape in contact with the end of the ferrule for quite a long distance. If we can take the same connector now and dirty it up again, and we'll use a cleaning pen. And the cleaning pen has two features, one for cleaning a connector, and if we remove this part we can actually go into an adapter and clean a connector already installed. But in this case we're going to clean an SC, and you can see I've done a pretty good job of cleaning off all that oil. In the case of cleaning in an adapter, we remove this feature here, which would allow you to clean an LC connector by putting it in here. We remove this, and then this end fits into the LC adapter here and will allow us to clean the LC inside the adapter, saving having to disconnect it. So the importance is obviously trying to keep things clean, but if they do get dirty, both the cleaning pens and the cleaning cassette will allow you to remove pretty well all the debris and grease that's on the end of the fiber. My only tip is that if you have a hamburger at lunchtime, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly, because I had a normally clean hand, but heck, you can imagine that if you'd had a Big Mac, the amount of grease that will be on your fingers that can contaminate all the fiber connectors you're touching. So both you and the connectors need to be